Welcome to the adventures of Fox and Miles. Follow our journey as Black creative nomads through life, love, and learning. We're sharing our story to inspire, encourage, and let you know we all have our own adventures to live. Whether it's travel, art, or relationships, we hope you enjoy the journey.
Day 2 of the conference. And we're here to try to get some t-shirts.
They told us if we get here at 8:30 that we might could get a t-shirt, and you know we like free t-shirts, so you probably don't know, but we like free t-shirts.
Okay.
Ever since college it's been a thing.
Okay.
Oh no, there's a line. No.
T-shirts.
I wonder if they're free.
Hi, good morning.
T-shirts?
Sure.
Yes, please.
What size?
Medium?
Large.
Large. Thank you.
Are you looking to sign up for artist service support?
What is
I don't
it?
even, sorry. Thank you. I'll take it for him.
Yeah. And then we have bins and stickers.
Nice. Thank you.
Like that.
Sure. Why not?
Thanks.
I mean,
Take whatever you got.
right. All right. All right, so we got some goodies. We got some pins. We got free t-shirts. Some stickers. And a water bottle. It pays to be early.
Yep.
Get the goodies. So now we're off to our first session. So I'm gonna learn about, I don't know what else. Oh, art of branding. You can learn about going on tour. That sounds interesting though, the going on tour thing.
Would you rather do that one?
Well, no, I guess I should hear the branding stuff since I am my brand. I don't know. Is that how that works?
Yes.
Imagine seeing your logo on basically everybody's shirts, everybody trying to wear shoes like you. Just imagine that for a second. Just, before I introduce this person, just imagine what that would be like. That was awesome, nuts, crazy, that's what I'm trying to say. Well, this is that guy. This is that craziness. And I'm so excited to introduce Daryl DMC McDaniels of Run DMC. He's going to tell you some crazy stuff. If there was one bit of advice that you would have given him, that's what it is.
Oh, for sure. Don't worry don't get lost in it. Just do it. Put it like this. I told when I did the news thing here, you gotta make your song and know it's the best thing ever. And I always tell certain artists, it's about presentation. Whatever you create, just share it with somebody. Sarah McLachlan said that's what music is supposed to do. So maybe 1 million people might not identify with that song, but that one person that could identify with your song, that shows your potential, and that's living proof that you're already successful. Think about that. But there's a lot, you can make the greatest song ever, and Russell didn't let Run, let me just add this to you, Russell didn't let Run go into the studio till Run showed him a high school diploma. Because Russell said, yo, you can have the greatest song in the world, what if nobody cared? You gotta have something back on you. So, if you're writing your song because you wanna write your song, through your whole career, write your song because you wanna write your song. If you're writing your song, I want to be a rock star to get rich and famous, more power to you. But just always have in the back of your head that it might not happen. Will you still be happy with yourself? Yes. Because, okay, they ain't going to give you a Grammy, they ain't going to put you on your chart. I always use this analogy. Remember when you was little and came home from kindergarten with that little scribble picture, your first picture that you drew? Your art and who you are is already great. Your mother didn't look at you and say you're not Picasso. She took that little picture and hung it on a refrigerator so that everybody that came into that kitchen would see how great you are. That's the importance of art. Don't lose yourself in the business. Now, when it comes to business, of course you're gonna have to fine tune, like, there's a give and take. Some people make what the industry wants until they can get their opportunity to get there. Then they can look at everybody in the room and say, now I'm doing what I want to do, else y'all don't got me. Pink, for example. Pink came out singing R&B. She was the R&B that some white girl, but look what Pink did. So Missy Elliott. Missy Elliott was writing for everybody. She realized she was writing all these hits and they wanted more from her. Missy said, okay, I got power now. I'll write you some more hits, but you gotta let me make my own album. And what happened when Missy Elliott came out with her own music? See, you always, my therapist said, D, you always have the power. Contracts, this and that, you signed your life away, there's still a way out. Be true to yourself. Don't just break the deal and get sued and I've been in court for 15 years. No matter what is written with a pen, everything is within. I didn't mean for that to run.